Hi there, students. On the fritz. Okay, an idiom. If something is on the fritz, it's not working properly, particularly for a piece of electrical equipment or a machine. So the photocopier's on the fritz again, and it's just gets jammed every time you press the button. Yeah, the carburetor to my car is on the fritz, and it conks out from time to time, to conk out, to stop moving, to stop working. Okay, also we can use it to say something's broken. Yeah, so after I poured coffee all over my laptop, it's been on the fritz ever since. Yeah, it's just not been working properly. Okay, so a machine or a device that's not working properly, we all know that about that with situation with machines. Yeah, the washing machine is on the fritz. Yeah, it doesn't work properly. It just doesn't heat up. It's effectively it's broken. It's not working as it should. Okay, so if something's on the fritz, it just isn't doing what it should be. Yeah, the dryer's on the fritz, and I've got to go out and hang these things on the clothesline. Yeah, I rang the repairman because the TV is on the fritz again. Yeah, maybe your vacuum cleaner's on the fritz. Maybe we should get a new one. It'll probably be cheaper than getting it repaired. Yeah, to be on the blink as well. We can use that phrase. If something's on the blink, it's not working properly. Yeah, the toaster went on the fritz the other day, and it burns absolutely everything. Yeah, careful, that microwave is clearly on the fritz. It's not working properly. My watch is on the fritz. It just keeps losing time. Yeah, okay, so I guess you could also probably use this to mean drunk. So he drank so much that at the end he was finally on the fritz. But I believe that's probably much more unusual. Okay, so this is an idiom saying that something's out of order, it's not working properly, it's on the blink, it's malfunctioning, or it's broken. Yeah? Okay, so let's see. Formality. This is an informal phrase. I'd give it a 3, maybe even a 2.5 in formality. Very informal phrase. Use in an informal conversation, but no more than that. I don't think I would use it in a semi-formal writing. You could use it in an informal note as well, I guess. And then as to origin, well, the first evidence they've got of it's from 1900, meaning in a bad way or in a bad condition. I don't know, maybe it's linked to the German name Fritz, maybe something to do with the wars, or maybe it's onomatopoeia, the bzz, 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 bzz sound of some piece of electrical equipment that's not working properly, and it's got the ideas of sparks jumping all over the place. Yeah, so, well, if something's on the fritz, you'd better get it fixed or get a new one. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. On the fritz.